What's up guys, we're back with some exciting juicy Samsung leaks, but first up, Samsung has officially announced the unpacked event of the Galaxy S21 series. Welcome to Everyday Epic. This is the official teaser showing off the camera bump of the S21 Ultra. Once again, Samsung will be heavily marketing their new camera gains coming specifically with the S21 Ultra model. Just like last time, it's going to be an online event. It's going to be streamed live on Samsung's website as well as Samsung's YouTube channel. Also, the unexpected surprise that we discussed in last video is indeed true. This is the official first look of the S Pen coming with the S21 Ultra. It's a big pen that is very similar to the pen that is coming with the Tab S7, and it also looks like the Apple Pencil. Definitely a lot bigger than the traditional small S Pen that you get with a Note smartphone. There's no way to store this S Pen on your phone unless you buy the official case, which we also have seen in this leak. We have this LED book cover case of the S21 Ultra. Very likely it's gonna have some kind of magnetic attachment to it. Now this S Pen won't have Bluetooth, so once again you won't be able to do things like taking selfies from a distance or changing camera modes and stuff like that. In fact, we actually have a first look of the One UI 3.1 software of the S21 Ultra coming via Jimmy E's promo, and in his YouTube video he showed off the S Pen section of the software, which pretty much confirms that those Bluetooth functions are not coming. It has those air commands and all those basic core functionality of a S Pen. Still, it's pretty exciting to see the S Pen finally coming to the S21 Ultra. Now Jimmy has also revealed some other exciting information such as the video recording option. So now you'll be able to change the video recording settings without going all the way into main settings. Also, you can seamlessly switch between multiple Galaxy devices where your Samsung account is signed in. You can not only continue your work but also copy text, images and more information just like on iPhone and Mac. Definitely Samsung is finally paying attention to building a proper ecosystem. We also have some cool new background call videos, so quite a big animation drop here. There's a built-in focus enhancer within the camera software that you can turn on for better focus. Also, Samsung is finally allowing you to use Google Discover as your news feed, but you can also switch to Samsung's feed if you want to. We have director view camera feature that allows you to shoot videos from all lenses simultaneously. Pretty cool. And then of course there is portrait video, previously called as live focus video. This feature has been there on previous smartphones, but now it's called as portrait video. And finally, Samsung is going all the way out. You'll get 16 gigs of RAM on the 512GB variant, which is absolutely insane. Now Samsung will probably remove the charger and headphones out of the box, but we have a good news. Apparently Samsung will be giving away its Galaxy Buds Pro absolutely free with the S21 Ultra purchase. The price for the Galaxy Buds Pro is $229, so that's definitely a massive freebie. Now the offer doesn't end there. You may be able to get free Samsung Smart Tag with the S21 Ultra purchase. If you don't know what that is, it's basically a smart tracking device to track your objects, and it's gonna work seamlessly with your UWB powered Galaxy S21 smartphone. Now speaking of non-Ultra S21 devices, you also have some gifts with S21 and S21 Plus. So free Galaxy Buds Live, not the Pro model, but still pretty sweet deal, and also free Samsung Smart Tag. So I have to say they're offering some pretty good deals with their pre-orders. Of course, if you are in US, you have a lot of trade-in options and you can get up to like $600 off. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts on the brand new S Pen, and also what do you think about the new freebies. As always, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.